Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Regency, one of the crown jewels of our Sealoom family. To start, yeah, these tiles are plastic, and that's a good thing. Regency 2x2 tiles are made from our Featherlight Series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more versatile than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. Regency gives any ceiling the royal treatment. Available in 9 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Century ceiling tiles are the perfect border partner. Regency ceiling tiles also work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.